雪花飘飘，北风萧萧，天地。
Hi everybody, welcome to Gmod DarkRP tutorials, and today we're going to be doing our first tutorial, which is Zero's Gold Digger. Obviously I'm just going to get straight to the point, but before we start this, I want to introduce a new server called DarkRP, which is currently the one that I'm playing on now. It is a brand new server that started less than a month ago, and we have very few players playing on it, but it offers around a normal DarkRP, not too crazy, not too uncrazy, and personally, it's right up my alley, and it might be right up yours too, so I suggest that you check it out. I will leave a link to it in the description. Anyway, let's carry on with our video. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're obviously going to want to become the gold digger right here. And yeah, it's pretty much exactly what it says, dig for gold, but a lot of people were confused, including me when it first came out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to here. You're going to want to go to your F4 menu, and you're going to want to find a bucket. You can either do a regular bucket for 1,000 or a bucket follow. I'm going to do the bucket follow, but it obviously costs a little bit more. What you're going to do is you're going to want to spawn it and press E on it, and it will automatically follow around. Next thing you want to do is going to get a gold washer. You can obviously make your gold washer, place it anywhere you want, and it really doesn't matter on the location, but I do suggest going into a little ground area here, either grass or sand, because all the gold is found on this area. It is not found on any cement or anything. It's found only in these biome areas, so I suggest putting it here. You can go right here and you can click upgrade on it, and you can get different upgrades that each have descriptions, and you put your stuff in there. So what you're going to want to do is, we're just going to stay with the basic here. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get some rubber mats to place in there. I believe this takes around 4, so I'm going to get 4 rubber mats. Alright, I think I miscalculated. Am I doing... Okay, no, it was 4. And then the next thing you want to do is go dig for gold. You're going to get your shovel, and you're going to kind of walk around until you find a little gold thing. As you can see right here, it'll just automatically show up when you get your shovel out. 9%. The max I've got is 15%. And the 1,318 grams is how much grams it is. All you got to do is click and hold here, and it'll automatically go out and into your bucket if you have a follow bucket like mine. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to take your bucket, and you're just going to put it right there, and you're going to want to press E here, and it's going to automatically wash all your stuff here onto the pads. You can watch the capacity right here. And after the capacity is gone, you're just going to press E on here again, and you'll see some gold on here. Just press E on those pads, and they'll all come out, and then press E on the pads again, and your gold will automatically be put into jars here. You can easily put your pads back in the little machine by sticking the pads right by the little front here. Just flop them in with your gravity gun, and you can mix all of your gold together into one jar, and it can go up to 1,000 grams. Next thing you want to do is you want to get this lantern, and you're going to want to put your gold thing right on the lantern and press E on the lantern, and that is it. The lantern will fly off. It'll take a few minutes, as you can see. Not even a few minutes, a few seconds. And as it flies off, you can see how much money I received, around 4,000, which got me back into 2 million right here, as you can see. That's always nice, and you can just keep repeating this process over and over again. Like, here is a 15% gold right here, 3,000 kilograms. That's really, really good. And it can be found all over the map here, especially my current map. There are obviously these different maps. Anyways, that's how you do Gold Digger, and you can automatically keep redoing that and redoing that. I give this around a B as a class rating because it is a little bit time consuming, and you get a kind of a minimal payout. Your payout ranges usually from around, I'd say around 90,000 to 120,000 each time, which is pretty good. And overall, I personally love it. It is my current favorite class to play, but again, it's only around a B in money-wise and difficulty-wise. It's fairly easy to use, and that's all. And thank you guys so much for watching, and this is it for my first Gmod DarkRP tutorial. Thank you.
Oh, come on. Couldn't a gathering just as easily turn into a shindig or a hootenanny?
Under normal circumstances, I'd say yes, but this one seems to have a storming of the Bastille sort of vibe.
See, They're playing music. It is a
Psych.
I got black, I got fight for you, man. All of a sudden goes up a bit in the Fanta. And we're about to blow away down. They try to take my pride, they ask for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see a blind gum, now they say a fun song. I do twin laps, they to a dancer. I see two twin arms, clear on the back.